Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I would like to share to you about how to make Ottoman bench. First of all, you have to use a rotated rectangle to make a basic shape of this bench. You can set up the size of the length of the bench is around 1000 millimeter, and just set the width of the bench is around 500 millimeter, right? Then after that, you have to push it up until it's around 450 millimeter and just make it group. And then after that, you have to make space for bench support. Like this, you have to make around 80 millimeter, right? Then after that, you have to make some cushion. Then you have to draw the line right here. You can divide it into the three part of the bench is around 300 millimeter something. Then you have to just click it and just erase an unnecessary line right here. You have to make a rectangle and you have to put position on the corner or end point of the group anyway. Then you have to scale it until it be the same size of this bottom bench. You have, and then you have to pull it up. It's around maybe you have to pull it's around 80 millimeter, right? And then you have to make it group, and you have to make it more smooth of the corner by use 2 point arc like this and like this, and bottom and the top you have to select this plane and just select follow me and just click on the corner of the bench. And this is you have to make follow me also. You have to make it smooth also with a follow me tool, something like this. Then after that you have to position on it. You have to position it on a left side, and first of all you have to make it component first and move it and press control to duplicate it. Okay, and you have to make three part of the cushion of the bench. Then after that you have to make a smoothness of the corner with the 2 point arc again, and just select the plane. You can do the previous method to make it smooth with a follow me, something like this. Then you can repeat the method to the bottom of the main bench, and then you have to select this plane and just select the follow me and just select this area, and it will be automatically be smooth with a follow me tool. And after that you have to make support like in every corner of the bench like this. You can do this way. You can push it down until touch the origin plane, like this. You can adjust this design of the support like this. You can adjust this design, and you can adjust it also. You can adjust this design by select only one line right here, and select the one line, and you can adjust it as you want or as aesthetic as possible. Then you have to make it component to make it homogeneous object, and move it and press control to duplicate it. And, and you have to make movement to the another side of the bench. Then you have to flip it along by the green axis, something like this. Then you could add some appropriate material. You can use some fabric. Then you just select the material as you need. Maybe you can select this material and just edit the size of the texture. Maybe you can type 1000, or maybe you can type until 700, and you can adjust the brightness of this cushion, or you can adjust the color right here, so you can find a perfect color as you want, something maybe something like this. You can see. Then you could add some material. Maybe you can select this wood veneer to apply to this object anyway, then I think it look better than the before when you create the appropriate material on every component of this Ottoman bench. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you get a lot of advantage and benefit by this video, and I hope you wait for my next videos and my next tutorial. It would be a great tutorial for the next video. Thank you.